The future of media and journalism in India and its role in society. The evolving role of media in Indian society. Over the year, the role of media in India has dramatically expanded, evolving from tool of national integration and educational outreach to a platform all that influences nearly every aspect of modern life. The continued development of both traditional and the digital media is reshaping the relationship between the public and the government and the media. Media as a fourth pillar of democracy. Media continue to play its vital role as the fourth pillar of Indian democracy, holding the government and the other powerful institutions accountable in a rapidly changing political and social environment. Media role as a watchdog remains crucial, especially with the changing of misinformation, censorship, and political manipulation. Investigation journalism, fact checking, and independent reporting has become more important than ever. Journalists are often at the forefront of exposing corruption, inefficiency, and the abuse of power, fulfilling their responsibility to ensure the public is informed and empowered to make decisions. The impact of technology on the future of journalism, the rise of digital and social media. The rise of digital platform has radically transformed how information is consumed. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram are now the central shaping public opinion, driving political campaign, and even the altering society norm. Digital journalism, including online newspaper, blogs, broadcast, podcast, and video-based content on the YouTube, provide diverse, often real-time information, sometimes in the opposition to traditional outlet. This has led to democratization, democratization of information, and enable a large segment of the population to engage with the news way previously impossible. Changing of digital journalism. While digital platforms offer increased accessibility and a state of news dissemination, they also come with the significant changing misinformation and fake news. The rapid spread of the false information via social media platform has raised concern over the impact of public perception, politics, and the democracy. Journalism most now face the additional change and debunking false narrative. Regulation. The government attempt to regulate digital content through the initiative like the Information Technology Integrating Guideline of Digital Media Ethics Code have been met with the both support and opposition, highlighting the delicate balancing between the regulation and the freedom of expression. Moving forward, journalism need to adapt these few new challenging, employing digital literacy and creating new models of credibility and thoughtfulness and increasingly fragmented media landscape. The future of journalism education in India, shifting focus toward digital and multimedia skill. As the media landscape continues to evolve, journalism education in India must focus on providing students with the skill needed to navigate the complex digital world. Traditional skills such as the reporting, writing, and editing will need to supplement with the expertise in multimedia journalism, incorporating video, audio, and interactive content into news reporting. Data journalism, teaching students how to collect, analyze, and present data in engaging the informative ways. Fact checking and verification, working student with the tool of verify misinformation quickly and accurately, combating misinformation in real time. Social media literacy, understanding how social media platforms work and their influence on public opinion and news dissemination, expanding and reach of reach of media education. To keep up with the rapidly changing media environment, there is a need to more inclusive journalism education that offer accessible program in rural and undeserved area of India. Provide hand-on real-world training through the partnership with the media organization, internship, and the newsroom simultaneously. The ethical challenge in journalism moving forward. Upholding media ethical in changing world. As the India continue to navigate the complexity as India media landscape, ethical journalism remain the core professional credibility. Moving forward, media profession must work to combat fake news and misinformation. Journalists need to equipped with the skills of knowledge to identify the report fake news accurately. Ethical guideline to regarding fact checking, transparency, and the source verification will need to further strengthen. Maintain independence. Journalism should be maintain editorial independence from the political and corporate pressure. This includes restrict censorship to avoid conflict interest that undermine the credibility of their reporting. Ensure diversity. Media outlet must actively seek to provide the platform of diverse voice, particularly from the marginalized communities. This evolves the representation not only in terms of the language and the culture, but also in the gender, caste, and the socio-economic background. The media role in future of Indian democracy. As the Indian continue to be world's largest democracy, the media role in shaping in future cannot be overstated. The media is the central in facilitating in for voting by providing balanced, factual, and timely coverage of election, political candidate, and public policy. The media can help the citizen make more informed decisions. Promoting civics engagement. Journalism can play a key role in encouraging citizens to participate in civics process and engage the meaningful debate about the social issue. Promoting civics engagement. Journalism can play a key role in encouraging citizens to participate in civic processes and engage the meaningful debate about the social issue. Advancing the social change. The media serve as a platform of social movement, providing visibility to issues such as human rights, environmental sustainability, and economic inequality. In the future, the media will continue to be critical force in determining the health of Indian democracy, guideline public discourse, and helping the address the nation's most pressing challenge. Conclusion: the future of media in India. The future of media and journalism in India is bright yet challenging. While the media landscape will continue to grow, while the rise of the digital platform, it will also need to navigate the complexity of the misinformation, political influence, and the economic pressure. Journalists will need to adapt by acquiring new digital and multimedia skill while upholding traditional journalist ethics. Moreover, journalism education in India must evolve to meet a demand of this changing environment, offering news evolving program to equip future media professionals. At the same time, the media must remain a vigilant watchdog, ensuring that the government institution media itself maintain transparency, accountability, and the commitment of the ethical reporting. In the essence, as the media industry evolves in response of technological advancement, it must continue to serve as the cornerstone of democracy, fostering information public debate, promoting justice, and driving the social change. That is the end of this part.